Double stops are a little tricky on violin, but I think this book, and of course book 1, offer great advice and great practice material for learning double stops and getting ready to play more advanced double stops material in other books. If you're struggling with double stops, let me know. The link to my website is down below, and I hope we can get connected and maybe I can help you with lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support.